Welcome back to my channel. Oh wait. So I have like this little light that I've had for like a couple years, and I'm using it because some people say that I need more lighting in my videos, so I'm trying this out to see if it's okay or not. I don't know. Not doing a Halloween look today. I'm going to a party, so yeah. I just want to do something like simple. So we're gonna be taking the Daisy palette and we're gonna go into Cocoa and put that like around the outer corners. And then we're going to take Naked and blend it in the inner corner. A M124. And then we're going to take Matter. And we're just going to blend that out. I'm going to take back a little bit into the Cocoa and into Naked. And then we're going to go into Stunt. And for the bottom, we're going to go into the BH Take Me Back to Brazil Rio edition. And we're going to take a little bit of this purple and mix it with a little bit of blue and black. Maybe with a little bit of pink. Now I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and I'll come back with lashes and liner done too. So I'll be back. I'm back. And these lashes are from Kiss, and the name is called Camisole. So now we're gonna move into bronzer. We're gonna be using the Morphe Iconic. Now we're gonna move on to blush. We're gonna be moving into the Deuce by Juvia's for blush. We're gonna be using this pink. So for highlighter, we're going to be using the LA Girl Moonlight Magic highlighting palette and the Jeffree Star Cosmetics and Wet Dreams. We're going to take a smaller brush to do little details. Oh, not details, but put some highlighter in the inner corner and on the eyebrow bone. I haven't shown this or said this already, but I got this from buying $18 or more at Ulta. It's from NYX, and they sent it with like a NYX On the Rise Volume Liftscara. So I'll try that out in a different time. But I bought the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Juicy gloss, and I have the cherry and apricot, but we're gonna use the cherry. We're just gonna use the lip gloss for now. So I'm gonna get changed, so I'll be back and then we'll do the outro. I'm back with my outfit. It's just a simple, it has like a loose turtleneck, long sleeves, and I put my jewelry on that I got from Wish. If you'd like to know, I'll put it in the description down below. And I also got this off of Wish. It's supposed to be like to go on top of your bikinis, but I knew it was not gonna fit me. So I was like, I'm gonna use this as a necklace, and it's only $2. So I got it in today, so good thing, because I did not have a necklace to go with this, but now I do. And I have some heels on. Well, not on me, but I'm gonna use some heels that I have. And I'll be taking pictures.
Fun fact, I never did take pictures.
So they'll be at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I know that light's bothering me too. Well, me, but anyways, thank you for watching. Leave a like, comment down below of any ideas that you would like me to do, or anything like love, anything. And subscribe to my channel, because who don't want to be seeing me mostly every day?
Me, bitch.
I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. Or unless, but yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys, bye.
I'm not a little kid now. Watch me get big now. Spell my name on the fridge now. With all your alphabet toys. You want the spelling bee.
Now she tryna have flexing, I ain't too complex, baby.